Hey guys, today we're going to explore a new market that's booming. It's data center cooling, a sector that's gaining major traction as AI, cloud computing, and high density data workloads explode. We'll look at some public stocks we can possibly invest in, growth forecasts for the industry overall, and why this technology is crucial for these companies, especially the hyperscalers. Some of the top stocks and tickers, some leading companies with exposure to the data centers cooling market, along with tickers. So I believe I have about 7 of them. Stock number 1 is ticker VRT, Vertiv Holdings. Ticker number 2 is SBGSY. This is over the counter, so I'm not sure why I'm giving you this one, but this is just another Schneider Electric SE, company I have never even heard of. Johnson Controls International is the next one, traded on the stock exchange, ticker JCI. Stock number 4 is CARR Global Corporation, ticker is CARR. Stock number 5, American Tower Corporation, ticker AMT. Ticker number 6, Modine Manufacturing, ticker MOD. And a not public company, but significant in partnership portfolios, Cool IT Systems. A couple companies that we probably can't even invest in, but just kind of want to let you know that these companies are in the sector. They are still competitors to all the companies listed. These companies supply advanced cooling systems and solutions from liquid cooling to modular airflow management, enabling data centers to run faster, greener, and more reliably. The industry projection from 2025 to 2030 is set for extraordinary growth. The global market is expected to increase from 16.3 billion previously in 2024 to about 40.7 billion in 2030, representing a CAGR of 16.5% over the next 5 years. US expenditures alone could triple, rising from almost 6 billion in 2025 to 17.3 billion in 2030. Growth is fueled by surging data center construction for AI, IoT, ML, and cloud computing, which demand more cooling to deal with massive heat output and higher rack densities. Liquid cooling, direct-to-chip cooling, and immersion technologies are particularly hot areas with large investments happening globally. And AI spending is not slowing down anytime soon. As we have not seen it, we need to check out the next quarter's earnings, see if it's going to be cooling down. Didn't mean for the pun, but why data center cooling is required. Efficient cooling is absolutely critical for the following reasons. Data centers generate enormous amounts of heat due to densely packed, high-performance servers. Without cooling, performance drops, hardware risk damage, and energy usage spikes. AI, machine learning, and cloud workloads are pushing compute density higher, making traditional air cooling inadequate. Advanced cooling solves thermal challenges while lowering operational costs and energy consumption. Also, regulatory and environmental pressures require greener, more efficient operations. Modern cooling systems lower carbon emissions and align with sustainability targets. As outages and inefficiencies get more costly, liquid cooling and new tech help maximize uptime and mitigate hardware risk. So it's if you're searching for a high growth, high tech sector, sustainability exposure, core players like Vertiv, Schneider Electric, CARR, and Johnson Controls could be a prime pick for this growing industry and this big spending environment of data centers. So let me know if you have any other stock picks for this industry. If this industry is something that interests you, do a little bit of research. As AI and data workloads surge, the cooling market is strategically positioned to deliver outsized returns. Thanks for watching. Stock Brock is out. Peace.